Hello students, now the important topic of chapter number 4, quadratic equation, that word problem and its solution. The word problem is very important in this chapter of quadratic equation. The word problem is given in the form of words and you have to understand this carefully and you have to make the information and you have to arrange the equation in arrange the information in an equation form. Now, first of all, we read the question carefully. The sum of square of three consecutive natural number is 110. Determine the natural number. The important thing in this, that the sum of the square of three consecutive number, you have to sum the square of three consecutive number, but you don't know the three consecutive natural number, so let the natural number be x. First natural number को आप x मान लेंगे because you don't know the natural number. So for solution, let three consecutive natural number be, the first natural number be x, then according to question, consecutive natural number. Consecutive natural number means the natural number which is in the form of continuous form. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are three natural number which is in continuous form. For example, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6, these are also a natural number which is in continuous form, means 4, after 4, 5, after 5, 6. Similarly, if we take x, first natural number is x, then second natural number is x plus 1. I am taking an example. अगर पहला नेचुरल नंबर मैंने 4 लिया है तो दूसरा 5 आएगा. 4 से 5 कैसे बना? प्लस 1 ऐड करने पर. Therefore, we add plus 1 in second natural number, and in similarly third natural number you have to add plus 1 also, that is x plus 1 is x plus 2. So three natural number are x plus 1 and x plus 2. The formation of this type of equation is very important. Yeah, formation of these type of information is very important. Now according to question, the sum of square of three consecutive natural number, you have to sum the square of three consecutive natural number. Three consecutive natural number are there, you have to sum of square of these. It means you have to add, and you have to add the square of these number, that is the square of x is x square, the square of x plus 1 is x plus 1 ka whole square, and the square of x plus 2 is x plus 2 ka whole square, and you have to add this. Add means you have to sum this. If we have to sum the square of three consecutive natural number, it is equal to 110. It is given also, that is equal to 110. So you put equal to 110. Now we have to solve it. X square, x plus 1 ka whole square, means we have to use identity here, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now in this again we open the identity, x plus 2 ka whole square means a plus b ka whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 110. Now you solve that. X square as it is, 1 square is 1, 2x we have to write as it is, x square is as it is, 2 square is 4, 2 multiply x is 4x is equals to 110. Now we have to solve this equation. By using solve this equation, you have to observe that you have to solve the like term first and you have to add the like term first. Here x and this x which is underlined, these are 3x square and x square. Hence the x square comes 3 times. Therefore you add x square plus x square, that is 3x square and 2x and 4x. This are also a like term, that is 4 plus 2 is 6. So you solve this equation here, that is 3x square plus 6x plus 5, that is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 is equals to 110. Now 3x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 110, जो कांस्टेंट टर्म थी उसको कांस्टेंट की तरफ हमने कलेक्ट कर लिया, दैट इज 5 minus 110 equals to 0. Hence 3x square plus 6x minus 105 equals to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in an arranged form 3x square plus 6x minus 105 equals to 0. Means we have to solve this quadratic equation by using any method, but you observe that 3 is common in all 3 terms, first, second, third, 3 terms are there and 3 is common in all 3 terms. So you take 3 common and your equation is x square plus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. Now 3 is multiply here, इसको इक्वेशन के सेकंड जब तरफ ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो वो डिवाइड होगा एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज 0. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 35 इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन in a simplified form. Now solve this quadratic equation by any method. Okay, you have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method also and by using quadratic formula also. I am using the factorization method here. X square by factorization method, as we discussed earlier, that we have to split the middle term. And how to split the middle term? That the product of two terms is minus 35 and the sum of two number is 2. Okay, so the two numbers are 7 and 5 because the product of these two number is minus 35 and the sum of these two number is plus 12. So you split the 2x in two terms, that is plus 7x and minus 5x. Okay, now you take common from this. First you take common from first two term, then you take common from last two terms. In first two terms x is common, so you take x common, then x plus 7 is remaining. Then in last two term 5 is common, then take 5 common, then remaining term is x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now in this equation you see that x plus 7 and x minus 7, x minus 7, x plus 7, here x plus 7, okay, x plus 7 and x plus 7 both are common. So x plus 7 take common and what is remaining in the term is x minus 5 equals to 0. So the product of these two number is equals to 0. So split in two terms, two parts, that is x plus 7 equals to 0 and x minus 5 equals to 0. By solving this, x equals to minus 7 and x equals to 5. There are two solutions, x equals to minus 7 and x equals to 5. X equals to minus 7 we ignore because it is an integer and in a question it is given that we take 3 consecutive natural number, but it is an integer, it is not a natural number, therefore we ignore the solution, that is x equals to minus 7. So x equals to 5 is the final solution of this equation. Now according to question we have to find the 3 consecutive number, and according to question 3 consecutive number are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So you put the value of x here, the value of x is 5 and the value of x is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So your 3 consecutive number are 5, 6 and 7. I hope you will understand this question. Thank you.